What's going on, YouTube? It's pretty early in the morning. I still got my morning voice on, but today we're gonna be installing this bad puppy. So we're gonna be taking off the stock intake. It looks like that. We're gonna be putting this bad puppy on, and it's gonna be looking like that. So it's gonna look way better. There's a lot more airflow in it. It's not, you know, all of these little things, and it has that little thing in the back. It's not doing that. So let me start her up, show you guys how it sounds with that on there, and yeah. Alright, so let's get the stock one on and let's throw on the new one. Stock one is out, it's super open now, and now let's throw this puppy in. On there, I had to modify this right here because it was a little too long, so I had to cut it off so it could fit on the throttle body, and yeah, I'm pretty sure it's in there good. I always check to make sure it's level with the car, yeah, so when the hood smashes, it just smashes in there. But let me get you some sound clips real quick. So the new intake's on. Looks pretty. It's pretty good for an eBay turbo. That's or turbo. eBay intake. That's like what? I think it was like $50 or something like that. I don't know. But it's definitely more airflow than this one right here, because you see how it has that right there, that little thing. It's better airflow for it. So you go straight to the engine, there's nothing there, it's just straight tube, and then it just goes straight there. And then it also brings in a lot more air. The only thing I would want to do is my air thingy right there. Yeah, see how it takes air from the car, you know, from driving going in. I want to change it, make that bigger. Probably like maybe cut that out. I don't know. And then my brother knows how to weld, and I kind of want to put a plate right here, so it's like a cold air. But I mean, short ram intakes still are pretty good. But let me put everything together, or let me close the hood, and then we'll go drive it and see if you guys can hear it. It sounds pretty good. It whistles, so it's pretty So yeah, keep your stock intake, so when you gotta go smog your car, you can slap this back on, and then when you're done, slap that back on. Just a heads up. I don't know how good you guys can hear it, but when it starts up, you can hear it whistle. See, watch. It's definitely way louder, but let me get some street shots, or not street shots, but rolling. I'll drive and I try to record, but it's super loud, or not super loud, but it made it jumped up the sound level, and you can hear the air grab in, and you can hear it whistle when it like comes out. It's pretty cool. It doesn't give you like the whoosh noise, you know how high-end ones would, but it still gives you a pretty good thing. Let me see. It's really cool. All right, boys, let's see if you can hear it. You can't really hear it. Plus my exhaust, the little catalytic converter shield is off. So, but let me see if I can get it in a different place. All right, let's see if you can hear it. Oh, yeah, you heard it right there. It whistled a little bit. Yeah. See if you guys can hear it right here. I'm gonna do a hard pull right here, see if you guys can hear it. That's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I love the intake. Makes my car sound so much better. I absolutely love it. I love the whistle. I love the startup, the cold start. I love everything about it. It makes it sound so much more aggressive when I'm on the gas. I try to get as much rolling shots as I can. I don't have a GoPro to slap on the car for you guys to see it. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks.